Ngwataniro ya miario iguru rigie thuguri ya maguta guku bururi-ini gatagati ga thirikari na mahu wa azimio la umoja iguthiraga yatira.
I want to challenge our competitors. I want to challenge the opposition. Watuambie, badala ya kutuambia we must prove that it is a scam, let them prove to us that it is a scam.
Umuthi mutongoria wa mahu Raila Odinga akioneka gucokeria mutongoria bururi iguru ria miario arakorirwo akiruta ira akiuria azimio kuonania ati mutaratara wa uguri wa maguta ni ngukumio theri.
Over the weekend, we were told that the deal has resulted in so-called structured sourcing of the dollar. If that is the case, why has the exchange rate not improved?
Kuringana na ndumiriri ya azimio, maugite ati mutaratara wa thirikari wa uguri wa maguta na njira ya imwe kwa imwe ni njira ya kungumia kigina gia bururi kuona ati makorirwo makiandikanira kandarathi na kambuni imwe kiumbe cia maguta handu ha kambuni cia thirikari.
Kenya Revenue Authority is listening to our demand for evidence of corporate tax compliance by Oryx, Galana and Gulf oil companies.
Raila riu akienda thirikari gutariria uria kambuni tiganite ari hamwe na cia Galana hamwe na mwonjoria Angel makorirwo makigwatira maratathi ma kuingiria maguta guku bururi-ini undu umwe na mutaratara uyu wa uguri wa maguta wa G2G.
Criminal collusion through price fixing and other corrupt trade practices in the G2G arrangement. 4. The controversy surrounding the dispute between Galana Energies Limited and Angeri Njoroge.
Na kurumirira mubango uria Ruto akoretwo akigathiriria wa uguri wa maguta kuhuthira ciringi ya Kenya handu ha kuhuthira dola, Raila akienda uthuthuria na kinyi wigi gitumi kia mathogora ma maguta kwaga guikuruka undu umwe na makinya maria marumagirirwo ni ruhonge rwa uramati wa maguta EPRA gukinyaniria mathogora meru ma maguta o mweri.
The criteria applied by the G2G arrangement in arriving at the prices at which Kenya is to buy fuel. 3. The criteria applied by the Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority in arriving at the prices the Kenya consumer shall buy petroleum products.
No na kuri uguo ni mubango uteteirwo ni mubunge wa Gatundu ya muhuro na muikariri gitu wa kamiti ya bunge igi hinya wa mahuthiro Gabriel Kagombe akiuga ati ni ikinya riri na itanya riega.
It's good. What we have had is that we have actually cushioned the shilling against that high demand for dollar, because if it had been left to market forces, then I think the dollar would have been at 200 by now. So it would have been worse.
Raila augite ati angikorwo gutire na ungumania o wothe thiini wa thuguri ino ni hari bata wa thirikari kuonania maratathi maria makorirwo magiikanirira kirore na kambuni ici handu ha kuhuthira miario ike akioneka gukumithia ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ungumania ni kunira aritho ndeto ino.
We are challenging the government to share with Kenyans evidence of payment of oil in Kenya shillings.
Na tutigane na icio no tutanakiehera hau no ikorwo